Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani mwena wa Garissa, Abdizak Hussein, thutha wa gutiriha mathomo ma high school, arutwo ni magiririo kuheo kanya ga guthomithia thukuru cia muthingi guku magithiaga na mbere na kothi urutani hindi ya rutha.
The national government, in conjunction with the county government and the CDF, at least to pay some partly about 20 to 25,000 to those young men and ladies who will be taking up that task. That way, the issue of insecurity and taking locals to the war-prone areas will be over.
Ona kuri uguo Hussein ni oritie thirikari yongerere ugitiri niguo gutigira miturire ya arutani aria mari icigo-ini icio ni magitirwo.
Why can the Kenyan government, as big as it is, as powerful as it is, why is it unable to protect its teachers? So let the government either come up with a mechanism to protect its teachers so that we can live harmoniously, or if that cannot be possible, then we will say, let UT program be introduced.
O ihinda-inĩ oro riu muikariri giti wa kiama kia NAT gicigo-ini giki Dubat Hamei ni ugite kaunti iyo ni igomeirwo ni unyihu wa arutani na njira nene na arutani makiria ni marabatarania.
Staffing officers have to sit down, move teachers, local teachers to the peripheries, and they bring back teachers who come from other areas to secure areas.
Miario teno ni amukiritwo ni muikariri giti wa kanju ya wendia wa mahiu kaunti-ini ino kuria oritie atongoria othe manyitanire na kuruta wira me hamwe niguo kurehe kihonia gia gutura. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.